Hello, fellow PAs and CAPA members. My name is CJ. I'm a PA practicing endocrinology in Orange County, California. I have the pleasure of hosting a workshop on diabetes management and technology. Things are evolving fast in the world of diabetes management, and it is crucial for us PAs who are in the trenches to stay up to date and provide the best care possible. Would you be surprised if I tell you that metformin is no longer the first-line pharmacotherapy for people with diabetes? Consider attending my workshop to learn more about the most up-to-date standard of care recommended by the American Diabetes Association. We will also take a deep dive into diabetes technology, specifically on continuous glucose monitoring, CGM. You'll have the opportunity to self-apply the sensor on yourself and learn your own glucose pattern. Seeing is believing, and it may open up your eyes how easy it is to do and how impactful it might be on glucose management. So in turn, you may apply this to your patients who could benefit from it. I look forward to seeing you at CAPACon in Anaheim in October. Thank you.